The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for southern Los Angeles County in Southern California. This includes the cities of Glendale, El Monte, Los Angeles, and Long Beach. Until 11:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy thunderstorms over downtown Los Angeles, producing 8 to 12 inches of rain. Floods can cover the road. Do not try to cross flooded roads where water covers the road. Most flood deaths occur when roads are flooded. Be especially cautious, especially at night. Remember, if you see flooded roads, turn around, don't drown.